It's been 4 weeks. I've made $1,600. Let's talk about the questions that some of you guys have been having. First of all, this is not branded, sponsored, endorsed. They don't know who I am. So please stop reporting my videos as branded. They're not. I have 0 brand deals with anyone for any reason. Okay, so to the questions you guys have. Where did I find the work? Data Annotation Tech, that website listed above, that is the only website I used. Several people said they were going through like third-party websites to get in. I don't know why, but apparently they're having issues with that. Go straight to Data Annotation Tech. That's what I did. The way onboarding worked, I created an account, and then I took a basic assessment. That took about an hour. There was creative writing, all kinds of fun stuff, making sure you understand how to use Google and that you have higher order thinking skills and creative writing skills. If you pass that assessment, which is pretty much immediate, they give you access to both a core assessment and a coding assessment. If, once you take that basic assessment, all you have access to is coding, you did not pass the basic assessment. If, after that one, you have access to neither, you didn't pass for either one. If, after you pass that, you have both, that means you passed the basic assessment. Then you take the core assessment to do what I do. If you have coding experience, like computer coding, take the core and the coding. Coding pays better, so why wouldn't you? 2 days after I took the coding assessment, I heard back and I had work. Okay, I have had unlimited tasks since then. Some people said that I shouldn't call it unlimited work, but I've had thousands and thousands of tasks assigned per day, and each task takes me between 20 to 45 minutes, sometimes up to an hour. So that's unlimited work. I could work 24/7 and still have work left over. It sounds like there is some sort of tiered system where, depending on how well you do on the core assessment, you might be assigned more tasks and higher processing tasks. So be incredibly thorough. For those of you asking how long the core assessment was, it also took me about an hour. I don't remember how many questions were on it, but people in the comments of my last video said it's somewhere between 16 and 18. So if you've spent like 45 minutes on it and you're like, when is this gonna end? Soon, I promise. Okay, let's talk about pay. It pays between 20 and 30 an hour. My first couple of days were 20 to 21. Now, at the tail end of 4 weeks in, I'm between 23 and 25 an hour. I don't know if that's a fluke or if they've been judging my work as good enough to be put on better tasks. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. I will report back later about that once I know. This is a 1099 job, okay? This is not a W-2 job. You are not an employee, okay? You are just a contract laborer, meaning any money that they pay you is pre-tax. You owe the taxes on it. You do have to provide them with your social security number in order to be paid. Some people were weird about that, but they have to tell the IRS that they paid you money. And the way that they do that, the way that they identify you, is with your social security number, just like any other job. So if that throws you off, I get it, but it's going to happen with any job. They do only pay through PayPal. You have to have a PayPal. They will not Cash App, direct deposit, none of that. It will go to a PayPal account. So if you don't have that and you don't want to get that, this isn't it for you. I will tell you that was the red flag for me. I was like, but I did it anyway, and I've been paid $1,100 of the $1,600. So that was fine. How quick are you paid? What's the pay schedule like? You can get paid whenever you want after the first week or so. So the way that it works, they review your work, and it takes up to 7 days for them to review hourly projects. And it sort of just rolls. Sometimes they get it done a little bit early, but it typically takes about 7 days. So I got paid this week for work that I did last week. You can pull money out every 3 business days to your PayPal, so you can get paid twice a week for anything that you did the week before, if that makes sense. Some people have asked if you have to be in the US. I'm not sure. Just to be perfectly clear, no idea. Some people have asked, what are they looking for? I have no idea. I will tell you, I have 2 BS degrees, fully science degrees, and I work in commercial real estate. and they picked me, so it's not computer experience. Can you do it from a phone? I wouldn't. It's not optimized for a phone. I tried one morning to do it from my phone and it drove me crazy. There's a lot of like scrolling back and forth just to read one line. I can't do it. People have said that they're able to do it from tablets. So if you have like an iPad or something, I do it on a laptop. It's fine. I think that's all the like big questions that I've been getting over and over again. So I just wanted to clarify those. But if you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer. Like I said, I just wanted to share something that was like working really well for me. So yeah, love you.